Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe payment into your WooCommerce. So the first thing you will want to make sure is that first your WooCommerce, or in this case it's going to be the WordPress admin, needs to be at least in the creator plan, because you will need to install a plugin and you will not be able to do that if you're using the free plan. So make sure that you have upgraded your plan at least in the creator plan one, and then you can continue and watch this video. The second thing you will need to do is to go ahead and create your Stripe payment account. So you can definitely use this for free. The only profit they will get is just if you're making some sort of transactions, you will take some admin fee for it, and that is the only payment you will have to give to stripe.com. So go ahead to stripe.com and then start creating your account through there. Once you're done, you're going to be able to see a dashboard that looks like this, and then we're going to get back to this later on. So you gotta go into your WordPress right here, scroll all the way down until you find this plugin option. So you're going to want to go ahead and click at plugins, and here you're going to want to search for Stripe. So go ahead and type in Stripe, and the plugins that you're going to want to use is this one's right here, which is the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. So this will allows you to take credit card payments on your store using Stripe. It accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, GCB, Diners Club, SEPA, Ideal, GiroPay, Alipay, and many more. And here are the list of the countries in which you can use this, and they have a lot of countries that is already listed, and many more is going to be added later on. So you can go ahead and click install and activate. And now we wait until the plugin is installed and activated into our WordPress. Alright, so now that I got the Stripe Gateway installed, I'm going to activate it. And in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this WooCommerce here. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to WooCommerce here and go to setting. And in the settings here, you're going to go into this payment sections right here. So here in the payment method, you're going to make sure that your Stripe payment is already enabled. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click on manage. And you're going to go to settings. And here you want to click on this enable test mode. And make sure that you also have your test mode enabled here in your Stripe account. And then you're going to go to developers. And you're going to go to these API keys right here. So you're going to go into this edit account keys, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to want to copy this publishable keys right here. Click to copy and then paste it over here. And you're also going to want to copy on the secret key, which is this one's right here. So go ahead and click reveal secret key. Go ahead and click it to copy it and then paste it over here. And then you also will want to go ahead and copy the webhook secret key, and in order to do that, all you have to do is go to this webhook sections right here. And then go ahead and click at endpoint. And you will have to enter the URL. And if you don't know where you can get the URL at, you only have to go back into your WooCommerce settings, and they're going to give you this web URL right here. And this is going to be the one that you will have to copy into your Stripe. So go ahead and copy this and paste it to here. And you're also going to want to add a description. So I'm just going to say this one is for payment, and can go ahead and click select event. And as for the event, I'm going to make this as charge, and this is going to be charge capture. So go ahead and take on the charge capture, click on add event, and then go ahead and click on add endpoint. And now that we got the endpoint created, you're going to want to reveal this signing secret. So go ahead and copy this, put it right here. And once you got the key safe, you can also try to click this test connection to make sure that it is already successful. And once you're done, you can see that there is a connection successful, which means that you can use that payment as a payment method on your WooCommerce. And you can also do some additional setting. For example, here we have the payment and transaction settings, in which where you'll be able to enable some options like this one's right here. If you enable payment via saved card, user will be able to pay with the saved card during checkout. Card details are saved on Stripe server, not on your store. So you know that sometimes there is some autofill system that allows you to save the details of your card. You can do that with Stripe that are connected into your WooCommerce. And if your customers would like to save their card numbers in the autofill, their card numbers will be saved in the Stripe systems right here. So we'll be able to get the customer's detail if they do want to do that. And then you can also issue an authorizations on checkout and capture later. However, the charge must be captured in the order detail screen within 7 days of authorization. Otherwise, the authorizations and order will be cancelled, so you will have to pay attention to that. And you can also change the description your customer will see on their bank statement in your Stripe account setting. And this is the preview of how it will look like for now, but if you would like to change it, you can just change it through the Stripe account setting. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. And I would recommend you to test out the Stripe payment on your store. So for example, if you already have your WooCommerce stores running, you can go ahead and try to check out one of your products just to see whether the Stripe payment will work or not. And you can settings on some error through there. If you find some error or like some difficulties while you're trying to pay with Stripe payment, you can try and figure out before your customer is going to be the one who figure that difficulties. And then if you want to track on the payment, you can just go into your Stripe dashboard and they're going to show you the payment that happens on your Stripe. So if anyone pays through their Stripe account, you'll be able to see the transactions through here. You can see the balances, you can see the transactions and what's going on with your WooCommerce store through here. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect Stripe to your WooCommerce. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.